we're heading up this Corbett here, Beinn Laruinn, and we'll do it anti-clockwise just to avoid that prow up there. And once again, the rain's coming in. Lucky white heather with the weather, eh? Cracking view down Glen Roy there, all the way back to the village. Our Corbett is beginning to light up with some sunshine, yeah. Hi, how's it going today? We're wandering up this Corbett here, which is Beinn Laruinn, and for the first time the sun's coming out. And there she blows. Over there to Loch Arkaig, over to Anachmoa, Ben Nevis, Fort William, the Grey Corries, Craig Maggie. This isn't the top of Beinn Laruinn, one of the Corbetts in Glen Roy. We actually got it quite dry, got the drone up for a wee bit, taking us about an hour and a wee bit to get up here, so we'll just get back down and get on the road again before the rain comes in. I'd stop here and let you see the parallel roads that are cut into the hillside there. Just from this angle to get a bit more perspective. Just thought I'd show you how steep it is coming down this route as opposed to going back over that side and coming down via the Graham and getting back to the start down at that hut down there. Our car's just down there. Here's a wee bit more about the parallel roads of Glen Roy. You can just freeze this and have a wee look at in detail.